It can strike without warning, and at any moment. You may be walking across a soft carpet and reach for the doorknob when suddenly. To understand electrostatics, we first need to know a bit about the nature of matter. All matter is made out of atoms that consist of three types of smaller particles: negatively charged electrons, positively charged protons, and neutral neutrons. Normally, the electrons and protons in an atom balance out, which is why most matter you come across is electrically neutral. But electrons are tiny, almost insignificant in mass, and rubbing or friction can give loosely bound electrons enough energy to leave their atoms and attach to others, migrating between different surfaces. This happens, the first object is left with more protons than electrons and becomes positively charged, while the one with more electrons accumulates a negative charge. This situation is called a charge imbalance, or net charge separation. But nature tends toward balance, so when one of these newly charged bodies comes into contact with another material, the mobile electrons will take their first chance they get to go where they are most needed, either jumping off the negatively charged object or jumping onto the positively charged one, in an attempt to restore the neutral charge equilibrium. What we have learned is that the definition of electrostatics is the study of stationary electric charges of fields. We also learned that all matter is made out of atoms that consist of three types of smaller particles: electrons, protons, and neutrons.